So guys, here we have is the Nasdaq 100, right? We would want to see where this price will be moving for the next day. First of all, let's start with the daily time frame, and we will want to see this trend on the daily time frame. So this is a bearish move on this Nasdaq 100. Clearly we can see that this price is bearish, it is below, right? And we can, let's start this movement from here. So clearly we can go to start this movement from here on Nasdaq 100. This has been giving us this bearish move. I think this was around August period, right? So clearly this price is a bearish move. Even if you're a new trader, you know that this is a bearish move on Nasdaq 100. And I've also included this moving average, which I would be using 10, by the way. So I'll be using 10 period moving average. We all know the rules of trading it. Once the price is below our 10 period moving average, we have to short it, right? But if it is above it, we have to go long. So clearly this price is below the 10 period moving average, right? So we have to actually short this price, but a little bit. Price has slightly broken above the 10 period moving average, but it will correct itself and drop. Maybe once it has corrected itself and it is now below this moving average, we have to short it. So that is up to you if you want to take this trade. So Nasdaq 100 above all, we are in a bearish move. Now let's take a look at this movement, the trend itself. We can start from here. This is a downward movement. Guess what we had is a correction, and now again a bearish move has been made. You can take a look at here as a correction. This is a bearish move. Of course, a correction should be expected. This is the correction. Now we are now expecting a bearish move on this Nasdaq 100. So if you notice it, last 2 days we actually opened and closed bearish, right? You can see day before yesterday we opened and closed bearish. Yesterday itself, right, we actually opened and closed bearish, which is on the 20, right? I can assure you on the 21 also would also open and close bearish. So Nasdaq 100, we should be expecting a bearish move. By that time, the price should have broken a 10 period moving average. So still be expecting a bearish move to be made on Nasdaq 100, by the way. So at least we would want to see this price actually drop to at least to this level here, which is a level of 10,826. Currently we are trading at a level of 11,013 on Nasdaq 100. Let's see it drop to a level of about 10,826 on our Nasdaq 100. So Nasdaq 100 on a daily time frame, that is still on a bearish move, right? Now let's see what this 4-hour time frame actually says, by the way. So clearly we know that this daily time frame is bearish, right? And we would want to take the trade on a 4-hour time frame. So that our 4-hour time frame must actually show us a bearish move. If not, we would stay out of this trade. So take a look at this. You can see that this on the 4-hour time frame, we are bearish. So this is it. Impulse move downward. Here comes the correction, and here this is another impulse move that broke this previous lows. Of course, a correction should occur, and this correction has happened. Now we are now expecting another bearish move. So this is still a confirmation that 4-hour time frame we are now bearish, and we should actually go bearish with it. And the price is below 10 period moving average, still below our 10 period moving average. So if you have to take this trade, we would want to actually short it to the level we once talked about, which is about 10,826 on our Nasdaq 100. You should kind of see this price come to this level here. You should see this Nasdaq 100 for the day come and take out this level. That is on a 4-hour time frame, still bearish, and the 1-hour time frame, by the way. So 1-hour time frame, a bearish move is to be made, right? So we would want to still see it actually drop and come to the level we talked about, which is about 10,826, and the price is still below the 10 period moving average. So clearly on this 1-hour time frame, we are still on a bearish move, and if you want to take it, we would actually open and close bearish for the day.